Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So very quickly, OGC token is going to be launching very soon, and you need to actually connect your wallet for your withdrawal to exchanges if you've not yet done so right now. And for you to be eligible, make sure that check that you have a verified badge on your bot. If you don't have it, that means you're not qualified to move on to do what I'm going to be teaching in this video. Do you get it? So actually this project is going to be a massive project. Do you get it? And there's only 1 billion token of OGC that will be in circulation, and out of that there won't be even up to I can't really say there's a little amount of OGC will be in the circulation. So even when you get it, don't sell it immediately. You get that? So very quickly, without further ado, what you're going to do right now, click on where you have that verified icon, where you have that yellow icon as verified. Click on that profile picture, that C that you have there. So just click on that. So now what you have your profile, so you can see edit exchange UID, that is user ID, edit your wallet, security, link social accounts, and contact us. So what you want to do right now is to click on edit exchange user ID, the first option. You're going to click on that. So if you click on that, what do you have? So now you only have BitGet here. You only have BitGet. Do you see? So now click on the plus sign that you have there. So click on that. So now it's requesting that you should add your BitGet exchange user ID and you have to verify. So click on verify your human. Alright, so success. Now click on get code. You have to verify that you are the owner of this account. So click on get code. Alright, a confirmation code is sent to your email inbox. So now you have to go and check your email. So let me go to check my email right now to confirm the reception. Alright, so here I have the code. So I'm going to copy, and then let me go to paste here. So paste it here and click on continue. So click on continue. Alright, so now I am here right now. Alright, so now you have to go to your BitGet exchange, click and copy your user ID and also the OGC token deposit address on BitGet and also the email you used to register on BitGet. Do you get that? So you also supply it then. So now let's quickly move forward. Let's go to BitGet to copy the user ID. Do you get that? So now I'm on BitGet exchange. So this is where you're going to get your user ID. So now click on where I'm pointing to, where you can see this arrow pointing to. So click on that, and then what do you have? You have your user ID here already, just as you have it here. So tap on the user ID to copy. So it is automatically copied for you. Do you get that? So now you go back to OGC bot to paste it there. Let's go back now. So I've pasted the user ID on BitGet inside that box. So now what do we need again? We need the OGC token deposit address on BitGet. So now let's go back to BitGet exchange, and don't forget it's on the Ethereum network, ETH, just as you have it right there at the front. OGC token deposit address on BitGet. So now let's quickly go for that. So now click on assets. Click on assets. You have assets down here. So click on assets. So once you click on the assets, so you have this already. Click on add funds. Click on add funds. So once you click on add funds, click on deposit crypto. Alright, so now search for OGC. You can see here OGC community. So click on that and then allow it to load. So automatically it gives you the ERC20, that is Ethereum network. So just click on the address, click on this icon right in front of the address that you have right here. So once you click on that, it will copy it for you. So now let's go back to our OGC Telegram bot to go and paste it there. So now we've pasted both the user ID on BitGet and the OGC token deposit address on BitGet. So now just put in the email address that you use to register for BitGet in the last place. So just put in your email address too, and click on save relations. So click on save relations to save the data that you've actually inserted. Do you get that? Okay, so now you have the details set up already. So you've linked your details and then you're good to go. So if you click on what you have here, if you click on BitGet, let's see the details that we are going to be having. Let's see. Alright, so that is if you want to actually change it. Do you get? So let's go back because we've already set it there already. So now let's see what we have. Okay, so let's click on home. Let's click there again to see. Alright, so there's nothing much again. there's nothing left for us to do. So we've already linked up the details for the withdrawal. Alright guys, so I think I will have to end this video here. If you actually enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Biz. Bye for now.